Now to our top story. Today is a pivotal point in two high-profile trials. The murder trial of Dr. William Husel and the murder trial of former Columbus police officer Andrew Mitchell. Closing arguments today are expected to begin in Mitchell's trial. 10 TV's Tino Ramos is live with more on the dramatic testimony from Mitchell himself, and that took place yesterday.
Yeah, it did, Tracy. You're absolutely right. And here we are, the trial getting ready to wrap up, but not before the defense took a bold move and put his client on the stand to defend himself against that murder charge. Now, we're talking about former Columbus police officer Andrew Mitchell. Matter of fact, he took the stand Monday. He's accused of killing Donna Castleberry back in August of 2018 in Columbus. At the time, Mitchell was working as an undercover vice officer when he picked up Castleberry as part of a solicitation operation. It ended when a struggle took place and Castleberry stabbed Mitchell. Mitchell in return shot and killed Castleberry. Yesterday during testimony, Mitchell was on the stand for hours saying he thought he was fighting for his life. He claimed Castleberry put her foot on his throat, and shortly after that's when he fired his gun. Prosecutors argue though that Mitchell's memory was questionable.
How many times you heard an instance where somebody strangled somebody else with their feet?
Well, she choked me with her feet.
How many times have you ever heard of somebody choking someone with their feet?
Never had that situation.
But we can tell you the defense, they called Mitchell's use of force expert. Then they rested their case. Again, closing arguments expected to take place this morning. 10 TV will be in the courtroom. In downtown Columbus, Tino Ramos, 10 TV News.